Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to set up a Ring Stickup Cam battery version. So this is the Gen 3 Stickup Cam. Right, let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, get the quick start guide. And a bunch of marketing material. That's the camera there. And then this thing contains the mounting screws and brackets. And the battery was inside here. I already put the battery into charge. You also get a USB cable to charge the battery or the camera. So I'll get the battery and insert it into the camera. Okay, so that's the battery. Right, let's insert the battery into the camera. So now it's in the lock position. I'm just going to twist this into the unlock position and just pull this down. Take off the bottom piece. Okay, so the battery goes in like this with the metal contacts facing in. So it's like that and just clicks in. And then you just turn the
Welcome to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
It just turns on automatically. Alright, I'm gonna just twist this into the lock position. Okay, it's in lock position. It's already on. So I'll start setting this up using my Ring app. Alright, I'm in the devices page on my Ring app. So I'm going to hit the plus sign to add a new camera. And then I'm going to select security cams. And then it's going to look for the QR code. So I've already scanned the QR code and it's come up with my location. So I'm going to tap on continue. And I'm going to select Windows, and then I'm going to select looks inside the house. I'll just say sitting room for now. and then I'm gonna tap on battery because I'm gonna set up as a battery cam. Okay, it's fully charged anyway, so I'm gonna tap on continue. Okay, the battery is also already in, so I'm going to tap on Stickup Cam is on. So since I have a Chime Pro, it comes up with this option here, but I'm just going to connect to my home Wi-Fi, and it's going to grab my Wi-Fi password, so I'm going to tap on continue. So it will ask you if the camera is flashing blue, so it is, so I'm going to tap on the light is flashing blue. Okay, now it's trying to connect to the Stickup Cam.
Stickup Cam is connected to the Ring app.
Okay, so the Stickup Cam just spoke out saying it's connected to the Ring app, which is excellent. So I'm going to select my Wi-Fi networks.
Stickup Cam is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Okay, it's trying to connect to my Wi-Fi now.
Your Stickup Cam is ready to use. With Ring, you're always home.
Okay, it just spoke out saying it's already connected to the internet, which is excellent. So this is the snapshot feature, and tap on OK. Say success, your Stickup Cam is online, so I'm going to tap on continue. So guys, okay, it has a few more steps remaining, so I'm going to tap on continue. I'll just say I've already installed it, just as a tutorial for installing the Stickup Cam on a wall, or just mount it somewhere you like. I'll just say I've already installed it. In shared users, I'm going to skip for now. This option is where you want to link up all your cameras together. Tap on skip for now. And this is to optimize motion. I'm going to skip for now as well. And then I'm going to tap on done. So guys, that's a way to set up your Stickup Cam, which is very easy if you already have the Ring app. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you. See ya.